worthy teachers and lovely children. Once again, our little friends have reminded us about the importance of conservation, about the importance of saving the planet on which we are living. We need to keep in mind that this is the only planet on which we live. There's no other alternative. Till date, there's no plan B. So we have to ensure that we need to keep our house in good condition so that the coming generations live happily. We heard beautiful song, हमें पेड़ लगाना है, धरती को स्वर्ग बनाना है. हम में से कई लोग हैं जो पेड़ नहीं लगा सकते, लेकिन हम कम से कम पेड़ों को उखाड़े नहीं, उनके पत्ते ना नोचें. इतना तो कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हो ना बच्चों? कम से कम हम शुरुआत कहां से करें? स्कूल से. स्कूल में जो गमलों में पेड़ लगे हैं, बाहर ग्राउंड में जो बड़े पेड़ लगे हैं, उनके पास जब हम जाएं, तो we should go there and spend some time happily, and we should also make the plants happy with our presence. But unfortunately, few of you go and you start plucking the leaves. You spoil the plant. So at least you should stop doing that first. Okay? Good. Now few other basics that we need to follow are, like especially when you are leaving for homes, your class teachers and subject teachers to please note that you please make a line first. It should not be that as soon as the bell has rung, 4 or 5 children, they rush out of the classrooms. This is what I observed yesterday. 3 to 4, 5 children were already there near the school stadium gate. And then after some time I saw teachers and class teachers bringing out the children. So that should not happen. The basics have to be taught. Along with the studies, it's how we should get inside the classroom, how we should leave the school. That is also what the children come to school for learning. And that is our part to teach them. So please ensure that you make a proper line first and then move out along with the children. Prefer to lead the class instead of following it. But I think once you set the line properly, then whether you are in the lead or you are following them will make no difference. So please ensure that children walk out of the school in a proper line. And in this, children, your discipline is also required. Okay, have little patience, make proper lines, and then go out and board your buses or go to your parents. Another factor that I keep on repeating, but still I find few of you, not you, but your parents are committing error. Few of you, I'm saying, while dropping you near the school gate, main gate. Please tell your parents, if you're coming in big vehicle, 4-wheeler, which is the place to get dropped? School gate, main gate or stadium? Repeat it? Stadium. You know the answer. So please guide your parents also, okay? If you are coming and going by 4-wheelers, you should get dropped in the stadium near the footpath, not on the road. There's a footpath in the stadium? Yes, you should get onto that footpath and walk safely inside the school. Similarly, while going also you should do the same thing. And when you are in an emergency coming nearer to the school main gate, then you should cross the gate and then get dropped. Please tell your parents, it is for your safety and the safety of your friends. Another fact that I want to reiterate from here is, all students and teachers, it is a must for you to attend the assembly when assembly is being conducted. I hope as class teachers, when you are bringing the children from the homeroom period, you are bringing all the children and then locking the class behind. In case of any think that the child is not in proper health and wants to stay back, that has to be done through permission. Similarly, teachers also, those who are busy taking classes or they are busy somewhere else, permission should be taken. So please ensure that you attend these assemblies. It's very necessary. Thank you.